Hey friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song. We're tuned to E flat, so just tune E string down a half step and we'll do all the guitar parts. Let's jump in. So we're starting with the open E, 2 palm mutes, 2nd fret A and D, 2 palm mutes on the open E again, 4th fret A and D, 2 palm mutes open E, 5th fret A and D, back to the open E, 2 palm mutes, 4th fret A and D, 2 palm mutes, open E, and then do 4th fret A and D, hammer onto the 5th fret. And we do that 2 times. Now the next time it changes, we're going to play the E power chord 2 times, open E palm mute 2 times, to the 4, and then we finish it the same, palm mute the 5s, palm mute the 4s, palm mute the 4s, hammer on to 5. And we do that 2 times. Now that's guitar 1. Then for guitar 2, we're coming in with the open E, play, come in with your bar, and then we just finish with riff 2 along with guitar 1. So our open E 2 times, and it does exactly the same. And that's our intro there. Now for a verse, we're going to play the E power chord 2 times, so up high on 7, A, 9, D and G, play it 2 times and slide down. Then we do 2 mutes and a slide. And then we go back to riff 2, play it through once, starting on our E power chord. Jump back to the E power chord again 2 times and slide down. This time don't put the mutes, just do a slide and back to riff 2 there. So that's pretty easy, and that's our verse. So for our pre-chorus, we're going to start on a C bar chord. We're just playing from the A string down to the B, including the B string. We play on 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then we do an up down. Jump up to the D bar chord, do a down, and then up down, and then on the E string, 3, 2. And they're all the parts of the pre-chorus. So for our chorus, we're playing the E power chord 2 times, mute, off, mute, off, play the E power chord again, 2 mutes and off, so it's all on that E power chord. So. Then jump to the C bar chord, we're going to do a down, 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 up, down, to the D chord, just do 2 downs. And on the E string, 3, 2. Go back to the first riff again with the E's. To the C bar chord again, the same, down, 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 up, down. Now jump up to the D bar chord and just play it once and stop. And then to our E string, 3, 2. And that's our chorus C. So So for our post-chorus, guitar 1 is just playing the same riff as our intro, so riff 1, and we do that 2 times. Now guitar 2, we're going to start on the G string 14th fret, bend, E12, do B 15, pull off to 12, and do that again, bend 14 G, 12 E, B 15, pull off to 12, then bend 15 on the B, play 15, 14, 12, jump to 14 on the G, play it, do a bend with a pinched harmonic, and then just 14, pull off to 12 on the G, 14 on the D. And there are all the parts to our post-chorus. From there we go back to the verse. It's nearly exactly the same. The only change is we don't add the mutes and the slide in before we go into that second riff. From there we go to the pre-chorus, that stays the same. The chorus stays the same. And then we just have guitar 1 playing riff 1 again for our post-chorus. 2 times. Then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solos at the end. We're going to play the A power chord 2 times, do a palm mute, then off, palm mute, off, and then another 2 times, palm mute, off, and then go to an E power chord and stop. And we do that 2 times. 2 times there, and then just go back to your C bar chord, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, to the D bar chord, down, 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 up, down, 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 our E string 3, 2. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solos at the end. For our bridge, it's going to be all on the E power chord. It's just when we're doing the palm mutes on and off. So we play the E power chord first, 1 and palm mute, 2 and 3 and on the 4 come off and then 1 and come off on the 2 and palm mute, 3 and 4 and come off on the 1 and again, 1 and then palm mute 2 bars, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and do that again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the last time through we're going to do 1 and 2 palm mutes, 2 and 3 and 4 and then off 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, E string 3, 2, and that's our bridge there. So for our outro chorus, we're going to play the first line of the chorus 2 times. So, to the C, to the D, and our 3, 2. Do that again. To the C, to the D. Then we're just going to play the E power chord again 2 times. 3 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, jump straight to the D bar chord. We're going to do a down, up, down to the E, 3, 2, and we're doing that 3 times. 3, 2, 3 times there. Then we're going back to the E power chord, do it off and 5 mutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, off, 2 mutes, off, 2 mutes, and now 3, 2. Then just go back to our second riff that we repeated 3 times, and we're going to play that to the end. The E, 3 palm mutes, to the D bar chord, down, up, down, and our E string 3, 2. We repeat that to the end. And they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's check out the solo. So we're going to start on the D string 7th fret, hammer onto 9, and slide up to 11. Jump to the G string 9, hammer onto 11. Do it again, and then slide up to 12. 9, hammer onto 11, 12. There we go. Start on the G string, we do 14, pull off to 12, pull off to 11, hammer onto 12, pull off to 11. Do the same on the D string, the same on the A string, finish on 12 on the E. Then we jump to 15 on the high E string, we do 15, 14 on the B, 13 on the G. Then we repeat that but start on the B string, so 15 B, 14 G, 13 D, same again, 15 on the G, 14 D, 13 A, and then 15 on the D, 14 on the A, 13 on the E, and then do 12 on A and D, slide up to 14. Then we're doing 15 on the B and the E, slide up to 17, and play it 2 more times. And we're doing that twice. Then play 18 on the G, jump back to the 17 B and E 2 times, and do that 2 times. So we have. Go to the G string, 11, 2 bends, and 9. Then we're sliding up to the 12th fret on the G. Play it again, 12, 11, 12, 14 on the D. Back to the 12 on the G. Play it again and slide up to 14. Then just hit the open G string and come in with your bar. And that's the main solo there. For our outro solo, we're going to start with a bend on 14 on the G and play 15 on the B, and then bend 15 on the B, play 15, jump back to the 2nd fret G, bend, keep the bend up, and we're doing pinched harmonics 3 times, so bend up, 3, bend at the 5th fret on the G, slide up to the 9th fret on the G, then bend 15 on the B. Now this next little lick we're going to do 10 times, 12, hammer onto 15, pull off to 12 on the B, 14 on the G, and do that 10 times. And then to finish off we're going to do 12, hammer onto 15, pull off to 12 on the B, 14 G, back to 12 B, back to G 14, then G, 12, 14, 12, hammer on and pull off, 14 D, 12 G, 14 D, we're doing the same again on the D string, D, 12, 14, 12, hammer on and pull off, 14 A, 12 D, 14 A, start on the A, 13, 12, slide back to 10 and bend the 10 there. And it's pretty much faded out by there. And they're all the parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Look What the Cat Dragged In, Guitar Lesson by Poison. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.